Like nature's timeless creations, many modern constructions too arouse a feeling of wonder and admiration for their reflection of the indomitable human spirit and the triumph of engineering ingenuity and collective effort. Most significantly, all of these are milestones of development that have a major impact on the well-being of people. What does it take to build such colossal dreams in concrete? SEW Constructions, with its rich experience and expertise, has the answer. SEW started off in the year 1960 as Southern Engineering Works, inspired by a newly independent India's vision of developing modern infrastructure. As India's vision grew, from meeting basic needs and hopes to creating world-class facilities, SEW too extended its operations from the water and power sectors into the whole spectrum of infrastructure.
To be a very well-integrated infrastructure solutions provider and to be the top 10 in this industry.
In the course of time, SEW's contribution towards building dams, canals and power projects across India enhanced the nation's irrigation potential by 9 million acres and power generation capacity by 2,800 megawatts. SEW is also heavily involved in other civil engineering contracts for highways, tunnels and buildings. Every construction project poses its own unique challenges, carried out at remote geographic locations. Each project must be tailored to the conditions found on site.
This much discharge does not come in the river during the non-monsoon season. It is going to give a problem of diverting the river.
SEW's depth and breadth of knowledge in the field, gained through hands-on experience, helps to develop standard structured procedures long before a single shovel touches the ground. Establishing site facilities, mobilizing plant and labor resources, and team building happen in the startup phase.
We have about 325 haulage vehicles in all our sites put together, and our crushing capacity is of the order of 2,000 tons per hour, and our concrete production capacity is of the order of 1,000 tons per hour.
The substantial plant and equipment holdings of SEW ensure efficient deployment at many projects simultaneously. Construction is, and always will be, a people-centric activity. It is their sheer determination and strength of will that sees them shift the course of rivers, move mountains of earth and rubble, dig, blast and excavate through hills, and rivet tons of steel together into enormous frames, all as part of a day's work. SEW lays great emphasis on providing a safe and healthy work environment and takes care that the transient workforce also has access to welfare measures.
The attrition rate is very negligible, I would say. In spite of stiff competition outside and the demand is growing, still the people are sticking to the organization.
For a large and widespread organization of more than 3,500 people, SEW operates like a close-knit family, with supportive relationships evolved among various levels. A great sense of belonging and a genuine feeling of common interest are deep-rooted traditions at SEW. Teams of engineers and managers who take control of site operations carry forward these treasured traditions.
346,000 cubic meters of concrete for this season.
A kick-off meeting orients each team member as to the critical milestones, decisions to be made, and the timelines. Progress is monitored at both corporate and project levels to keep the work on track with the planned program. SEW has earned the distinction for successfully accelerating operations when required and completing the job ahead of schedule.
You see the quality, there is no compromise. Now as far our company is concerned, we have maintained the quality whatever work we have taken up, and we are known for the quality.
SEW recognizes quality as a key performance indicator and has several widely established practices in place to keep a watch on quality. The achievements of SEW Constructions and the way they conduct business has won appreciation on many occasions in the form of gold medals, scrolls of honor and bonuses. As one success led to another, understanding of the ground rules became more clear-cut.
The moment the work is awarded to us, the speed with which we mobilize the equipment, material, personnel, we do it at a great speed.
We are very sure that projects of this magnitude can definitely be handled.
We are continuing the same positive approach in all our ongoing projects.
Private sector, semi-government and the government sector. Wherever we are work, client always want us to come back.
Today, as India enters a flourishing new era, readying to take its place in the world order of great nations, there is a surge of interest in infrastructure. SEW, with its time-honored values, high standards of performance, strong partnerships and satisfied customers, is all set to forge ahead, fulfilling its destiny and cherished vision of building a modern, vibrant nation. SEW Constructions Limited. Work in progress of a new India.